Welcome back! Hope you had a chance to watch Fat Cat's humble beginning. I've now finished all the tiling of Fat Cat, and I've let him dry for about 24 hours. Thin set needs to be good and dry before you grout, otherwise you're going to run a risk of popping tiles. Before I grout, I prep my workspace, and I get my supplies ready. So I've got my table covered with paper, I have my float, my gloves and my grout, my clean, dry towels, my skew picks, and I've dedicated some uninterrupted time so I don't have to stop until it's done. I've decided to go with black sanded grout because it's easy to apply and it stays where I put it. Black is one of the messiest grouts you can use. It stains your hands and your clothes and is more noticeable and harder to clean out of porous tiles. So smoother tessera like Nip & Glass and Kismet work really well. I have my grout already mixed up using the same technique I did in the last video with the thin set. I started with a very small amount of water first and slowly added the grout until I achieved this peanut butter consistency. Then I let it sit for about 10 minutes so all the chemicals in the grout can have time to activate. I like to use a float to apply my grout. The surface won't scratch your tessera, and the rigidity pulls more of the excess grout away from the surface. You can also use your hands or a sponge, but this is my preference. So just start with a blob in the middle, and then just work it into all of your grout lines. So keep spreading until you get all the holes filled. All the holes are filled, so I'm going to take the edge of my float and start scraping all the excess off. Now I'm going to let Fat Cat sit a few minutes before I start cleaning him. I use a dry technique for cleaning grout off my mosaics. Others use wet sponges, but this works best for me. So here's what I do. Start with clean, dry towels. I like towels with texture that help hold the grout on the cloth. Then gently rub to get the top clean, being careful that you don't dig into the grout lines. And then continually move to a clean spot on your towel so that you're not just dragging the grout around. And keep this up till most of the top is clean. Then I'm going to let it sit and dry for another few minutes, and I'll repeat this process of the dry wiping until I get it pretty clean. There's always going to be some detailed cleanup after you've grouted, and I love skew picks. They're perfect for those hard to reach areas that you can't get into with other tools. Now I'm going to let the grout set up overnight, and after 24 hours I'll come back with a wet cloth and shine it up. The last thing that I'm going to do is paint the edges and the back with black acrylic paint, give it that nice finished look, and then Fat Cat will be ready for the gallery. Thanks for watching.